Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by defining what a qualified lead means for you. That drives every tool choice. Once that's set, connect your CRM and enable API keys so data flows. Next, build a minimal capture form with required ICP fields and basic validation to avoid junk. Make sure to set up tagging and initial lead scores so you can segment immediately. These first steps prevent noisy lists and let you test capture and ingestion in under an hour. Once forms feed the CRM, create automated enrichment and verification to increase lead quality. Enrich with company, role, and technographic data. Then build a routing rule. Assign leads by territory or product and set SLA timers so nothing stalls. You should also craft an initial nurture sequence with 3 touchpoints and a /b test subject lines and CTAs. Make sure to monitor conversion rates at each stage and adjust scoring thresholds to focus your reps on high-impact leads. Finally, close the loop by tracking conversion back to source with UTMs and campaign tags so you know what works. Once done, collect sales feedback weekly to recalibrate scoring and update ICP filters. This creates continuous improvement. If data stops appearing, check API quotas, field mapping, and dedupe rules first. Make sure to rerun enrichment for missing attributes and whitelist domains to avoid spam filtering. That one troubleshooting habit saves hours and keeps lead flow healthy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.